Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Vssxrmls.shop. So it is a scam store, as you can see right off the bat. For malware tips, they actually expose them. So as you can see, they give a scam overview. So once you pay for them, so if you don't know what this is, it is basically just bracelets right here. And once you place an order, you get nothing at all, or you get knockoff or inferior goods, user damaged tampered goods, and completely wrong items. So how the store operates is number one, by social media advertising, then the illusion of a real e-commerce store, fake order confirmations, failure to deliver ordered items, refusal to issue refunds, and then rinse and repeat. So and the list goes on and on. And also here on Trustpilot and see that they're rated 3.2 with only one review. I don't know why they're rated 3 stars when there's only one review, which is 1 star. So warning, imposter company, be cautious. Almost fell for their website, which was selling ninja product for less. So please guys, do not buy from this company, and this shop is very fake. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.